Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one, do you know the difference? Very good. Number two, to whisper. This means to speak very quietly. Let's begin. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. We will take a test on Friday. We will take a test on Friday. Test. You will think and answer questions so your teacher can find out how well you are doing. Now we can make a flashcard for test. Very often we say, take a test. Please write this in your notebook. Have a test is also correct. Please make a card like this. Write test up here in the top left corner. T-E-S-T. Down here in the bottom left corner, N1, V2. N1 means noun, level 1. That's what we're learning now. And over here, the number 174 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The IPA is the same. Test. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is whispering to her sister. Jennifer is whispering to her sister. Whispering. We don't pronounce the H. She is whispering, speaking very quietly. And if there is another person, we whisper to somebody. Now let's make a flashcard for whisper. Please make a card like this. Write to whisper up here in the top left corner. W-H-I-S-P-E-R. The basic form, to whisper to somebody. And down here in this corner, V1 means verb, level 1. And over here the number 76 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Whisper. Whisper. Game over. You did very well today. At school, the students will take a test. Correct. And Jennifer is speaking quietly. She is whispering. Correct. If you're high level, level 2 words. Number 1. Correct. Magnet with an E. Number 2, a kind of music. That's right. Pop music. Number 3, can you say it? to sign something. You put your name with a pen. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.